Make sure to turn off your shockwave unit. Use the black round-shaped key found in your applicator box to loosen the piece holding the transmitter head in place. Once loose, use your hands to release it completely and remove the piece holding the transmitter head along with the transmitter head. Grab a towel and a non-aggressive cleaner like Biotext and spray the towel with the cleaner. Use the towel to thoroughly wipe down the inside and outside of the piece holding the transmitter head in place. Grab the transmitter head and remove the washers from it. Use the towel to thoroughly clean the washers and the transmitter head. Put the washers back into place. Place the transmitter back into place. Place the transmitter holder back into place and then tighten using your hands. Use the black key for the last few turns to ensure it's well tightened. For more information on Ortho Canada's BTL modalities, please visit orthocanada.com.